within your custom fields, you can limit access for read purposes or even just editing purposes on a field by field basis to certain users in your system globally. To do so, you'll go to the permissions tab on a custom field. So this is the same area that you would use to edit or create a custom field. You'll see permissions. This is an enterprise only feature. And the first thing you'll see there is visible to a client user. By default, fields are not visible to client users. So that means they can't see it or edit it at all. Then below that, for normal users, you'll have the option to also limit this field by read and edit capabilities. If you leave everything blank like this, then normal users can see and edit all the fields, assuming they have permission on the item first. So this is once they have permission on the item, whether they can see a certain field or not. Then from there, if you want the field to be visible to a client user, you'll check this box and then it'll show up for a client user. If you want to then limit just a field like this one to system administrators, you can check the box. Now, only system administrators will be able to see this. If you want it to be system administrators and somebody in company ABC, then it'll be anyone who's a system administrator or someone who's in company ABC. If you want to say anybody in company ABC or the marketing department, then anyone in ABC or in the marketing department will be able to see this field. And the same exact behavior exists for editing. Once you set any values in here, so maybe the ABC company can edit and the marketing team can edit. Now, those are the only people that will see and be able to edit these fields. But maybe you want both ABC and marketing to see it, but the marketing team members can't actually edit it. And this is one way that you can actually allow forms to be dynamic based on individual teams in your system. It's just one of the ways. Some clients ask us, how do I hide certain fields because this department doesn't need them? Then you could actually use this to limit and say, well, this field is only for the accounting department and anyone who's a system admin. So those are the ways that you'd be able to control on a field by field basis how people can access some of your custom fields.